Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through my full nail prep routine before gel application. Nail prep is the secret to long-lasting manicures, so let's jump right in. Starting with cuticle remover, just applying it around all the cuticle area and rubbing in gently with my fingers. You want to work this in and let it sit for a couple of minutes. Then I grab my cuticle pusher. Mine has a triangle shaped end, which is great for lifting away any dead skin on the nail plate. I don't have much cuticle to push back right now, but if you do, definitely use the rounded end to gently push them back before moving on. Once that's done, I wipe everything down with an alcohol wipe to remove any residue. Then I go in with my cuticle nippers to carefully trim away any leftover bits. After that step, I wipe them again with alcohol to keep the nail surface clean. The alcohol also works to help dehydrate the nail, remove any oils as well, because keeping the nail dehydrated is really key to the next step, which will be the gel application, just to make sure that it properly adheres and that you can have a long-lasting manicure. Now I'm pulling out my e-file. I'm starting with the tapered bit, keeping it flat and level against the nail while I lightly clean up around the cuticle area. This helps remove any remaining dead skin on the nail plate. My file shows a setting of 15, which is about 15,000 RPMs, but I keep the pressure very light. Next, I switch to a diamond ball bit. This one is perfect for gently exfoliating the cuticle area itself and giving you a nice clean edge. I'm using my smaller wireless e-file here, which has a really simple setting, low, medium, and high, so it's super beginner friendly and won't overwhelm you. I start with my thumb, then work around each finger, making sure to go slow and steady. This is probably one of my favorite bits. After that, I switch back to my main e-file with the football shaped bit. For this step, I apply a little cuticle oil first, then carefully work around the skin above the cuticle, not on the nail itself. This smooths away any dry skin on the fingers and leaves the whole area looking polished. Definitely not necessary and an optional step, but it's a great add-on. The cuticle oil helps balance out all the alcohol we've just used while the bit works it into the skin and removes any leftover dryness, leaving the nails looking cleaner and more polished. Using alcohol again to remove any debris and oil, then I grab a buffer block and lightly buff the nails to smooth out any ridges. This is just a quick surface prep, nothing heavy. And then finally I do one last alcohol wipe to make sure the nails are completely clean and ready for gel application. And that's it. Here's the finished result, fresh, clean, and perfectly prepped for gel. Nail prep may feel like a lot of steps, but it really makes a huge difference in how long your manicure lasts. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.